Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I have another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so this bag is not a Coach bag. Not this video. I ordered this maybe like 2 weeks ago or so. They were so backed up. It just now came. I am so excited about this bag. So like always, all I did was open up the box. So let's see what I got. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been looking at this bag for quite a while. So I got, here it is right here. Let me move the box. It's in this packaging. Oh my goodness. You guys. We're so excited. I got, you guys. Come on. The Marc Jacobs bucket bag. Look at it, y'all. This is in the color Blue Sea. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is stunning. This is stunning. I have been waiting on this bag to come. I could have just went to the mall and get it myself, but no, I wanted them to ship it. This is the color. It is the color. Let me look at this bag because I do know that some people were having problems with their bags being like creased right here. I don't think it's as bad as, I know the red ones are really having problems. So I think this is just the stuffing on the inside. But it's the bottom part right here for me. Let me get closer. I don't know if it's supposed to be, if it's supposed to go up like this on the bottom. I know a lot of people were having problems with the bottom. And right here, this isn't bad. This part, that's fine. But is this supposed to be like this at the bottom? It looks like that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know. I don't know. Because I've seen some, y'all, that were just horrible. But look at the color. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. This is just, oh my goodness. Let me pull out the, this bag has silver hardware. Let's examine this. This bag was $3 somebody. I'll get my receipt in a minute. All of this is attached. Hold on. Here's the other strap. Here is the, let me step back. Here is the dust bag. I guess it's like a little care booklet and a silica pack. So here it is on, So here it is on the inside. Is that a tag? Yeah. It's just a hole. It's like that argan oil color on the inside. It feels leather. This, y'all. Yes. Oh, this is everything. I love it. I love this. I love this. I absolutely love this. This is beautiful. I have a red, the mini tote, and I have the argan oil. I'll get them in a minute. And I just wanted a different color because, y'all, those totes had me in the chokehold. And I have a small tote in the canvas material. Those totes will have you in the chokehold. Like, they're that good. So I was like, no, don't buy another tote, because I was going to get the tote in this color. Surely was. I'm trying not to break my nail. Okay. Let's look at the strap on here. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Like I said, it took like 2 weeks for this to come. So the strap is adjustable and detachable, of course, with the silver hardware, and the strap matches the bag. I don't think I will ever really carry the strap. This is, oh my God, I'm in love. I am in love, y'all. What do we think? Do you guys have this bag? If anyone has this bag, let me know. Yeah, I won't even carry this, but I'll put it on just to show you all. As you know, I'm 5'7". So let's put this on. This is on, I don't even know. I think it's on the middle strap. I mean the middle hole. It's good, right? And to crossbody, of course, to crossbody this, I will have to move the straps because this is way too high for the kid. Way too high. But like I said, I'm never going to wear the strap like at all. I'm just going to carry it like this. With this kind of leather on here, you do have to make sure that you keep this stuffed. What do you guys think? I'm going to get y'all some details. Hold on one moment. Alright, you guys. So I pulled up the specs on here. This is a fully grained leather bag, drawstring pull closure, rope top handle. It is a removable and adjustable leather strap. It has one interior slip pocket. Now that's a lie. That's not true. Not at all. In here on this little back tab back here, it just says full grain leather, and it's just, you know, the logo back there. There's no pockets. This is just a hole. Dust bag, contrast colored leather interior. Yes. This bag is 6 inches long, 6 inches in depth, 8 inches in height. The strap drop is 27 inches. And again, the color is in Blue Sea. This bag was $395. I love it. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Do y'all have one of these? I was thinking about the lavender, but that's just a little too for me. Now this is beautiful. I'm just worrying about, I wonder if this is how this is supposed to be, or if like when I stuff it, will it Because y'all know I can do something else for $400, right? I love this though. I love it so. Like, I'm going to have to look at some more videos, because everybody's video that I saw, it was really the red one, and everybody was having problems with that one, but I was never going to get red anyway. So, that's this. And then you guys, I also got the matching wallet. Don't do that. Okay. The matching wallet. And this is cute, you guys. The wallet comes with a little dust baggie. Oh, I didn't buy a wallet with my tote bags. Oh, that's cute. And I got the, girl, I was just finna haul off and name something just as wrong. One moment. Alright, you guys, so this is the Slim 84 Color Block Zip Around Wallet. These are my favorite types of wallets. The zip around, my Louis Vuitton one, I had to make myself put that one down. I love, 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 love that wallet. So let me stand up. So here it is. The color. That is so pretty. So it has 2 slots in the front. One. Girl, come on, somebody. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So 1 slot in the back. 1, 2, 1, 2 slots in the front. Oh, it's open. So we have packaging. Yes. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2 card slots on this side. You can flip it around on this side. You have another 1, 2. 1, 2. Girl, 1. Yeah. So it's 2 on this side, and it's 2 on this side, and then you have the whole middle part that is open. I love these types of zip around card cases. This was $120. And it matches it so beautifully. Look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We love, right? So, alright, you guys, that concludes this unboxing. Tell me what you think of this bag. Do you guys have this bag? Have you experienced any issues with this bag? Please let me know, because your girl will take it right on back. Okay. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please make sure that you are subscribed to your girl. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.